Hi, this is Ramanaya, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Guntur Engineering College. Today, we are discussing about the topic Unit 1, Lecture 5, Simple Stresses and Strains. This is the last lecture for Unit 1, Simple Stresses and Strains. Here, in this lecture, we are mainly discussing about the topic important problem, steel bar problem. Actually, example 8 problem. A steel bar 1600 long is acted upon by forces as shown in figure. Determine the total elongation of the bar if E is equal to 100 giganewton per meter square. Here, the steel bar is available. In this steel bar, left side 9 kilonewtons and right side 11 kilonewtons pulls. Section 1, section 2, section 3 available. Section 1 length 500 section 2 length 600, section 3 length 500, and diameters section 1 25, section 2 20, section 3 30. Modulus of velocity E is equal to 100 giganewton per meter square is converted into 1000 into 100 into 10 to the power of Newton per mm square. Consider section 1. Section 1 diameter d1 25 mm, area formula pi by 4 d1 square, pi by 4 into 25 square, that is equal to 490.87 mm square. Length L1 given 500 mm. Load P, that means pushing load, left side in the diagram 9 kilonewtons, 9 into 10 to the power of 3 newtons. Elongation formula delta L1 is equal to PL1y A1E. Finally, P is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 3 into 500 by 490.87 into 10 to the power of 3, 100 into 10 to the power of 3. Finally, elongation at section 1, that means delta L1 is equal to 0.0916 mm. Consider section 2, diameter D2 is equal to 20 mm, area A2 is equal to formula 5 by 4 D2 square, same section 1 and section 2 and section 3 also same. 5 by 4 D2 square, 5 by 4 into 20 square, that is equal to area 314.5 mm square. Length already given, section 2 600 mm. Load P2 is equal to 5 kilonewtons, already given here. This is the section 2 here. Elongation here. Elongation at delta 2 is equal to here P2 L2 A2 by E, that is equal to 5 into 10 to the power of 3 into 600 by 314.15 into 100 into 10 to the power of 3. Finally, in calculation, delta 2 is equal to 0.0955 mm. Next, section 3 same. Section 2 and section 3 and section 3 also same calculations. reference to the above diagram. This is the section 3 diagram. Diameter D3 given, area A3 5 by 4 D3 square, length L3 given, load P3 given. Finally, elongation delta 3 is equal to P3 L3 A3 by A3 E. Finally, delta 3 is equal to 0.571. The total elongation of the above problem, total elongation delta L is equal to delta L1 plus delta L2 plus delta L3. This is called delta L. Delta L1 is equal to 0.0916. Delta L2 is equal to 0.0955 plus delta L3 is equal to 0.0571. Finally, delta L is equal to 0.244 mm. Next, thermal stress. What is then thermal stress? The temperature changes cause the body to extend or contrast. The amount of change in length is given by delta LT is equal to L into alpha into TF minus TI, that is equal to L into alpha into delta T. Next, stresses. Consider a bar of length L. If its temperature is increased through at T degrees centigrades, its length is increased by an amount of L proportional to delta T. But if the bar is considered and is prevented from expansion by the Hooke's law, E is equal to temperature stress by temperature strain. Finally, temperature stress is equal to alpha into delta T into capital E. Finally, the temperature stress and temperature strain, the temperature strain L alpha into delta T minus delta by L. Temperature stress sigma is equal to E into small e, that is equal to E into alpha delta T minus delta by small l. Thank you. Unit 1 is completed. Thank you for all.